The Chiloe archipelago is located in southern Chile and consists of over 30 islands. Chiloe is known for its unique wooden churches, many of which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The main island, also named Chiloe, is home to the city of Castro, the archipelago's capital. Chiloe's economy has traditionally relied on fishing, agriculture, and sheep farming. The region is famous for its colorful palafitos, which are wooden stilt houses built over water. Chiloe has a rich folklore with many mythical creatures, including the Pupincoya, a maiden who symbolizes abundance. The archipelago's landscape features lush forests, rolling hills, and rugged coastlines. Chiloe's climate is temperate maritime, with ample rainfall throughout the year. The local cuisine is heavily influenced by seafood, with dishes like curanto being particularly popular. Curanto is a traditional dish made by cooking seafood, meat, and vegetables in a hole in the ground. The region is famous for its artisanal cheese, particularly the queso de Chiloe. Chiloe has a unique dialect that blends Spanish with indigenous Mapudungun words. The island was once a Spanish territory, and remnants of that colonial history can be seen in architecture and culture. Sea lions can often be spotted on the coastline and are a common sight in Chiloe's waters. The enigmatic Kalush is a ghost ship said to appear on foggy nights in the waters around Chiloe. Chiloe's economy has diversified in recent years to include tourism, drawing visitors for its natural beauty and culture. The archipelago is home to various native bird species, including the endemic Chiloe widgeon. The island's biodiversity includes many endemic plant species, particularly in its temperate rainforests. The famous Chiloe's woolen crafts showcase intricate designs and traditional techniques passed down through generations. The islands are connected by a series of ferries, making travel between them essential. The Penguin Natural Monument on Isla Magdalena is home to a large colony of Magellanic penguins. Chiloe's fishing industry produces a significant portion of Chile's salmon and shellfish exports. In February, the Festival del Curanto attracts locals and tourists alike to celebrate the dish with live music and performances. The archipelago has a number of protected areas to preserve its natural habitats and wildlife. Chiloe is often referred to as the Island of Myths due to its rich tradition of storytelling and legends. The local festivals often involve vibrant dances, traditional clothing, and cultural displays. Traditional weaving techniques using natural fibers are a key part of Chiloe's craft heritage. The archipelago has a distinctively rural landscape dotted with farmland and grazing livestock. Chiloe is known for its dramatic tides, which can vary greatly in just a few hours. The island hosts several nature reserves, making it a fantastic spot for birdwatching. Local artisans make chinchorros, colorful hammocks found throughout the island. The island's isolation has helped preserve its culture and traditions from outside influences. The Isla de Chiloe is sometimes referred to as the Green Island due to its lush vegetation. The archipelago has some of the highest levels of rainfall in Chile, contributing to its verdant landscapes. Chiloe's cuisine features unique ingredients, such as northern clams and matcha, a type of clam favored by locals. The island is an important site for ecological research due to its unique ecosystems. Many local residents still rely on traditional fishing techniques passed down from their ancestors. The island's unique architecture is characterized by its wooden construction and vibrant colors. Various species of dolphins, including the bottlenose dolphin, can be spotted in the water surrounding Chiloe. The famous Cementerio de Acayo on the island contains beautifully painted wooden crosses. Chiloe is also known for its large national parks, such as Chiloe National Park, which protects diverse ecosystems. The archipelago was once a hideout for pirates and smugglers in the 18th century. Chiloe's unique cultural blend comes from indigenous influences and European settlers. The island's historical sites include forts and lighthouses that date back to colonial times. Chiloe hosts numerous fairs and markets where local products, crafts, and food are sold. The local population has a strong sense of identity, often celebrating their heritage with traditional music and dance. The archipelago is also a hotspot for scientific study due to its unique geological features. Visitors often engage in outdoor activities such as hiking, kayaking, and whale watching. The island offers stunning views of the Patagonia fjords, attracting nature lovers and photographers.